Middle School at STEM School Highlands Ranch is special because we value innovation. We also value a learning process that prepares students for the real world.
Well, personally, my favorite thing about STEM Middle School is the freedom to be ourselves, diversity, and our amazing teachers. Quite frankly, teachers at STEM are not exactly ordinary. Many of our computer science, and engineering students are taught by teachers who are actually ex-professionals from their workforce. So this creates a real-world scenario in classes that no other school can give you.
Basically, you get to build robots after school and then go and compete in competitions, which you can go all the way up to nationals.
We all know what we have to teach, but STEM School Highlands Ranch gives you a great deal of freedom on how you teach that.
Problem-based learning allows students to tackle real-world problems. We have some amazing partnerships with industry, and there is great cross-curricular collaboration within year levels and subject areas. I've seen so many of our middle school students go on to achieve great things.
One of the biggest things STEM values in our academics is closing the workforce gap between STEM subjects, so science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. We actually are one of the only schools in Colorado that does this, and we do so by promoting internships, opportunities, and all sorts of incredible experiences for girls in STEM.
STEM gives students many opportunities to extend themselves in a variety of areas, not just academically. We have 3 levels of schooling, so the middle school students get to participate in a variety of activities with students from kindy to high school. So please join us for middle school at STEM School Highlands Ranch.